Welcome to our channel. If you want to set screen time limits for Google Maps usage, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage app usage time and promote healthier digital habits. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone, either iOS or Android. Step 2. On iOS, tap Screen Time. On Android, tap Digital Well-being and Parental Controls or Digital Well-being depending on your device. Step 3. If you haven't set up Screen Time or Digital Well-being yet, tap Turn on Screen Time or Setup and follow the initial setup prompts. Step 4. On iOS, tap App Limits under Screen Time settings. On Android, tap Dashboard to view your app usage. Step 5. On iOS, tap Add Limit and search for Google Maps in the app list. On Android, tap on Google Maps in your usage dashboard. Step 6. On iOS, select Google Maps and tap Next. Then set your desired daily time limit using the hour and minute selectors. Step 7. On Android, tap Set Timer or App Timer and choose your desired daily time limit for Google Maps. Step 8. Confirm your settings. Once the limit is reached, the app will be restricted, or you'll receive notifications depending on your settings. Step 9. To modify limits, return to Screen Time or Digital Well-being settings and adjust the time allocation for Google Maps as needed. Step 10. Monitor your usage patterns regularly to ensure the limits are helping you achieve your screen time goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.